Hi, I'm Dave Hook, President and founder of Plain Hook Aviation Services here in San Antonio, Texas. In the next few moments, I will familiarize you with the U.S. Transportation Security Administration's proposed rule for aircraft repair station security. This rule is not final, and you have the opportunity to submit comments which will be reviewed and considered during the final rulemaking process. In this video, I will identify who is involved and the stated purpose of the security program, identify the point of contact within TSA, summarize the proposed security program, specify where you can obtain a copy of the proposed rule, identify ways you may submit your comments, and as always, ask for your feedback on this video. This proposed rule involves all aircraft repair stations certified by the U.S. Federal Aviation Administration under 14 CFR Part 145. These include the 4,227 repair stations in the United States and 694 foreign repair stations. The TSA's stated purpose for this proposal is to implement the security measures which will further reduce the likelihood that terrorists will be able to gain access to aircraft under repair at a repair station, and to enhance repair station security, which will mitigate the potential threat that an aircraft could be used as a weapon. This proposal was published on November 18, 2009 in the U.S. Federal Register. We are within the 60-day public comment period, which will close on January 19, 2010. The Transportation Security Administration's point of contact is Celio Young in the Office of Security Operations. This rule proposes to formally establish TSA's authority to inspect all aircraft repair stations certified by the U.S. Federal Aviation Administration under 14 CFR Part 145. The rule would require both foreign and domestic aircraft repair stations to allow officials of the Transportation Security Administration and the U.S. Department of Homeland Security to enter, inspect, audit, and test property, facilities, and records relevant to repair stations. And this rule would require both foreign and domestic aircraft repair stations to adopt and carry out a TSA-approved standard security program. Each security program would identify individuals who have authorized access to the repair station, aircraft, and aircraft components, and each would require controlled access to the repair station, aircraft, and aircraft components. Each security program would require employees to challenge individuals who are not authorized access to a given area, employ escort measures for authorized visitors, provide employees security awareness training, verify employee background information, designate a security coordinator for each repair station, and establish a security contingency plan. Each certified repair station would be required to comply with TSA security directives and implement any emergency amendments to a repair station security program within TSA specified time deadlines. As a part of this security proposal, TSA would establish a process to notify FAA to suspend a certificate for a repair station that has not corrected security deficiencies identified during a security audit within 90 days, and revoke a certificate upon written notification by TSA that a repair station is an immediate risk to security. Currently, TSA proposes that these security regulations not apply to any Part 145 certified repair stations at which the federal government has assumed responsibility for security. TSA is seeking public comment on a number of subjects. Among these are a request for comments that will assist TSA in more accurately estimating compliance costs for small businesses, and a request for comments dealing with the proposed requirements, which TSA feels may result in a significant economic impact on a substantial number of small entities. For your copy of the proposed rule, go to the Federal Docket Management System at www.regulations.gov or the Government Printing Office at www.gpoaccess.gov and the Transportation Security Administration's website at www.tsa.gov. You may also download a copy of the proposed rule from Plainhook's website at www.plainhook.com. The link is located on our homepage. Plainhook encourages all who are impacted by this security proposal to submit their comments to TSA prior to the public comment deadline. If you choose to submit your comments by mail, send 2 unbound copies having a maximum page size of 8.5 by 11 inches and suitable for copying and electronic filing. If you desire TSA to acknowledge receipt of your comments, include in your submission a self-addressed stamped postcard with docket number TSA-2004-17131 written on it. The mailing address is Docket Management System, U.S. Department of Transportation, 1200 New Jersey Avenue Southeast, West Building Ground Floor, Room W12-140, Washington, D.C. 20590-0001. For those choosing to submit their comments electronically, go to the Federal e-rulemaking portal at www.regulations.gov. And for those choosing to fax their comments, the fax telephone number is area code 202-493-2251. If you will submit any sensitive information, please review the NPRM document for specific instructions. Again, we're currently within the 60-day public response period, and this public comment period closes on January 19, 2010. This video was developed as a public service by Plainhook Aviation Services. We believe an informed public makes for better government. We welcome any comments or critiques you may have concerning this video. Please contact us at Plainhook Aviation Services, LLC, 6010 Windhaven Drive, San Antonio, Texas, 78239-2133. You may also email us at plainhook@hotmail.com or call us at country code 1, area code 210-723-8745. And if you would like Plainhook's assistance in helping you prepare your response, please visit our website at www.plainhook.com. Thank you for your time. And from all of us here at Plainhook, cheers from the Alamo.